like I need to detransition and it's the best thing for me, and I've talked through doctors with it, and we've decided it's what's best for me. And I had so many reasons for doing this, so much dysphoria, so many like misconceptions too, and there were immense challenges, just like trying to feel okay in my body and feel not humiliated by what already happened to me, the original transition, and even the detransition is a total emotional and psychological hurdle. So I'm really, really glad I was able to do that, and I've been able to do that so far. And like I say, the right resources for this stuff are like your primary care and your mental health provider. You want to make sure they know, and anyone around you who can help you. I've actually been going to events like at the library and stuff like that, and that helps me just to go to events for things I'm interested in. That can be like a supportive resource, but definitely look for support in your family. But from my experience, don't count on it. My family hasn't been really supportive, but I guess I'm in kind of a different situation, because I'm an orphan. I didn't really have a family growing up, so I've been hoping that due to my orphanage, because I'm an orphan, I was placed in a family that wasn't really, well, I wasn't actually professionally placed in this family, but I was abducted by a family that that wasn't good to me, and that wasn't good, so they weren't the right resources. And definitely YouTube can be a good resource for looking for knowledge about stuff like this. Like if you're interested in the detransitioning process or what it's like, YouTube can be a good place to hear stories directly from other people. And these voices from the detransition community are really stories of strength, because it's a really strong thing to do, to want to align with our original identity and the identity we had. And I was definitely one of the more pediatrically female leaning trans people in my community. So it really feels like it's what's expected of me. And these experiences of like finding support and building connections, they really help us feel understood in the community and understood for why we're detransitioning. And like in my case, part of my motivator is me giving birth. So I've been able to find there are really accepting, supportive people out there in that community of people who give birth, and it's like I just have to talk about it to actually have the support of the community, which is really good. And yeah, that's helped me overcome a whole bunch of challenges in like trying to help people understand what my detransition is and find a sense of belonging from the culmination of it. And moving forward, I am healing. Of course, I am being plastised, and I have total hope. I totally have so much hope for like having more more kind of a mental, physical stance that's more aligned with my sex assigned at birth and with my gender, as a female and as a detransition female. And definitely self-care is really important. So if you're doing anything like this, don't forget to take care of yourself. Don't forget about mental health, professional support, like see a therapist if you need to, see a psychiatrist, definitely take your meds. I actually didn't know I needed to take a med for my depression, because I was taking stuff for other conditions and it wasn't always really working. So I didn't realize it would help me, but I started taking a med for depression this year, and it's been really, really good. So that's really important. And definitely connect with others. Like if you see anyone else commenting on this video, like if you want to connect with them, that's cool. Embrace their identities. My website is sometimes a good place to connect with people, glamgirlx.com/chat. And you can connect with people on there. And I just want to conclude, this is my message of hope to all of you, my message of resilience. And I really hope that you find joy and acceptance after whatever you're going through. If you're detransitioning, I hope that you find joy and acceptance in that. Or if it's a transition for you, and that's what is right for your dysphoria, then I respect that, and I really respect and uphold that you're seeking that possibility, the chance of finding joy and acceptance, and transitioning. And I really support you, and I think you're going to do great. Thank you for listening to me talk. Have a great day.